Good evening, I'm Akshaya Shanmugam. I'm a PhD student in the Electrical Engineering Department, and the name of my team is M Diagnostics. I propose a portable, low-cost, single-use hepatitis C screening device saving up to 123 million lives and $49.2 billion globally. Hepatitis C virus affects the liver and if untreated leads to death. In the US, 4 million individuals are infected and 2.8 million are unaware because of accessibility issues and lack of resources. My device addresses both these concerns. It costs less than $100, which is 1/5 of the screening cost at hospitals. It's portable and produces results within an hour, compared to the turnaround time of field tests, which is around 2 to 4 weeks. Existing devices that can be used in the field can perform only one of the 2 required tests. The market for hepatitis C is set to increase to a possible 79 million tests in the US alone due to the recommendations and awareness programs initiated by CDC, which is the Center of Disease Control and Prevention, and ACA, Affordable Care Act. Revenue of point-of-care companies have also been on the rise, with market research companies predicting a global revenue of $13.3 billion compared to $6.8 million in 2003. After prototyping, clinical trials, and FDA approval, our device will be sold to organizations like Red Cross, hospitals and clinics, and volunteers conducting health and screening camps. The device can also be modified to screen for other infectious diseases. With this device, we aim to bring the hospital to you. Thank you.